We're going to be working on the extended left hand, starting out, if this is your first time to play it or you need the practice. There's nothing about the left hand that's different from first position to first position extended, except for this first finger reaches back. And it reaches back dramatically, especially if you've never done this before. So here's our G, fourth finger on the D string. Don't ever let this go. This finger is going to stay there. This 2 is going to stay there. That 3 is going to stay down the whole time. And our first finger goes straight up in the air, like it gets lifted up like with balloons, and it lays back, just the tip of it, to the A string. That note that it's laying back against now is a B flat. And starting out, you're going to be amazed with how big that gap needs to feel between your first and second finger. G, G, then bounce back to the B flat. Make sure your left hand doesn't shift back to make that distance happen. Match my pitches. Make sure your G sounds just like this G, and your B flat sounds just like this B flat, G. We'll play 4 of each. B flat. B flat. Back to G. 2 exercises I want you to try. Take that first finger off of the A string, center the hand, but keep it straight, and see if you can play some 4th finger trills, or what I like to call pinky push-ups. Keep that first finger straight, center the hand. I'm not using my thumb at all. I'm pulling the left hand 2, 3, and 4 like a rake. The next thing you can do is open A, first finger B flat. First finger punches. Fourth finger should still be on a G, so keep coming back to check it. A, B flat. Back to G. 1, 2, A, B flat. First finger stays straight. To know you've really mastered this is the spooky hand exercise in another video. It's not easy. It's probably good to practice this on a couple other strings. One last thing I want to tell you is that this is so big that sometimes you actually need to remember to stretch it to make sure that it gets to feeling normal that it's this big. Our fingers need more distance than the cello. The cello requires it, so that's just it. So try to take your mouth hand and open up your scissor hand between 1 and 2, and make sure it stays in one line. You're not like this with your first finger or that, but first finger and second finger are on one plane. All right, that's it. Bring it back to the cello, 4th finger G, first finger B flat. Take the whole thing to the G string, D string, E flat, D string, G string, C natural, E flat, and then take it to the C string and G string, F, first finger A flat. Okay, back up at this video and practice it again.